I'm Lucy Beednell with the ARC of Northern Virginia. In this 3-minute webinar, we're going to give some quick tips about things to know during and after an arrest if you're a person with a disability. You may not remember all this at the time. You can go back and check later. It's never too late, and anything you do remember will help you. First, who do you contact? Number one, your parents or supporters. Get people you trust there and involved quickly. Don't ever try and do this alone. Right away, hire an attorney, one who has expertise in working with people with developmental disabilities, in part so they're great at communicating with you, but also so that they know laws, supports, and services that are unique to the disability community and may have an impact on your arrest, trial, or conviction. Consider working with a paid advocate, someone who's not an attorney, but is able to help you navigate the legal process and put together a plan for supports that may help increase the odds that you're able to have your crime or your case diverted. What do you say? When you're talking to the police, say nothing. You don't want to speak at all other than saying, my name is, for example, Lucy. I have your disability, for example, autism, and I need you to call my mom, my attorney, my helper. Don't feel like you have to share anything beyond that until you get someone there to help you and advise you. We all panic in times of crisis. All you've got to do is repeat that you want help, and you won't be sharing anything else until you get it. Your rights as a person with a disability not only include rights that protect anyone in the criminal legal system, but also the Americans with Disabilities Act that covers all settings: jail, prison, arrest, courtroom, etc. Ask for accommodations you need under the ADA. Do you need things explained slower or written down? Do you need a helper there with you? Do you need a room with lower lights or different sounds? Whatever it is, ask and start the process. Virginia also has a host of laws exclusive to people with autism, intellectual disability, and mental health needs that make it more possible for cases to be diverted or other kinds of permissions or accommodations being made. Make sure you have an attorney who's familiar with those. Request your accommodations as often as you need them, as you move from jail settings to prison settings, as you move from arrest to other kinds of conversations. Know you may have to raise accommodation needs in each location. Talk about what's most important to you. Is it staying off the sex offender registry, avoiding jail time, making sure you don't have the kind of conviction on your record that's going to impair your ability to work or use a housing voucher? Think strategically about what matters most and pursue those doggedly. If you want to find out more, please visit the ARC of Northern Virginia's online resource library. You can find a big resource guide for you and your attorney with lots of details of what we've discussed today, including attorney and advocate recommendations, one-page guides on calling 911 or navigating police interactions, sticker templates for your car, and more. We also have similar videos at our YouTube channel that you can access anytime. Always feel free to reach out at thearcofnova.org and ask us questions at the arcofnova.org answers. And you can explore our online transition points guides for every stage of life anytime. Thank you.